For the cigarette right here?
I don't know. That's that guy.
Huh?
That's that guy.
Hey, sweetie.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, is it okay if I smoke a cigarette up here? Can I smoke a cigarette up here?
No.
Okay.
Sorry.
That's alright.
Are those water slides or they're what?
I don't see water. Look at that old seat. That ain't moving either.
The old seat, same thing we're sitting in.
That one? It was just seats down?
Yeah, see, that's the same thing we're sitting on.
Oh, it looks terrible like that, don't it? It looks like, ooh.
Yeah.
I think that's just a fast slide or something. I guess we have to get back on it to come up here to do the bobsledding, don't we?
I'll say.
Huh?
Yeah.
What you think? And he goes, oh my God, what if I drop my shoes? Are you going to come go down there and get my shoes if I drop my shoes?
So you can go barefooted. That's a snow blower right there. Snow blower pipe.
Yeah.
We jumped on this thing before he could say no, didn't we?
Yeah. Let me see, you're going. Let's go.
Just light, sit back, relax.
Hey! Look, Jacob, wrap your arm like this.
Like this. He ain't let go of that bar.
Wrap your left arm around the big pole. Instead of doing like this.
You rushed yourself out there, forgot your phone. I mean your camera, didn't you?
I'm too worried about getting this other crap into because I'm scared he might want to do some of that wet stuff. We could get off up here when we come back down and then ride these down.
Yeah. Little Speedy.
Guys, we can get started again. He's like, shit, how do I get behind this load here? Go ahead.
No downhill unloading on ride back from the top.
Oh man.
Alright guys, you guys riding the slider going to the top.
Go all the way to the top.
Alright, enjoy your ride.
Thanks.
Hey Dad, I was going to get on the slide. Are you going to go back down here?
We're gonna go all the way up, man. I already told them.
We'll do the
They're going
slide
to the
next,
top, too.
okay?
Yes, sir.
You going to do it, Jamie?
Yeah.
Then I got to ride down by myself?
No, we have to go all the way back down, then come back up to get on that. Oh, you mean I gotta ride there by myself? You doing good. Huh?
Laughing at me?
I ain't laughing at all. You're fine. Look at this road they drive up.
Say cheese. Say cheese. Jacob, say cheese.
I'd like to drive up that thing.
I don't know what they're going up that with. Something pretty serious, though.
I guess their utility truck has to have four-wheel drive up in this place, don't they?
Yeah, and winches. I'd like to try to keep this hillside mowed. They spend a lot of time on this, I bet. This ain't do it, ain't it? Hey, flip this thing. There it is. Look. Get close.
Put your head down, Will.
Okay.
Yeah, that one.
Say cheese. Uh oh, messed it up. Go figure. Where was it? Okay, say cheese. He's getting better. Quiet, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
We'll tell Mimi to take her phone out with her. Afraid she'd drop it. There's a shoe.
Oh.
There's a shoe. Look at that shoe below us.
Right here. I was just thinking if I dropped my shoe, I would walk down this mountain and get it underneath it.
Barefooted?
Yeah.
What?
You didn't know a bear broke in?
No, I didn't know about that.
Yeah, that maintenance guy this morning, he said, "Bear, there's some bears that got in them dumpsters, or they like that Crawl Daddy's place, you know, all them smells." And
Yeah.
I said, well, I threw a sack out there because I didn't want to throw it on the can next door to us, our room, you know.
Right.
They had some leftover food.
Say cheese. Now do this.
For Kiss, you're next.
Throw your hand out. Right here.
You get it?
Right here.
Your picture is next, folks. Give us a smile, wave, pose, or a kiss. Wait for the flash. Here we go.
We're both got our hands up and kissing. What a picture that's going to be.
Your picture is next, folks. Give us a smile, wave, pose, or a kiss. Wait for the flash. Here we go.
Here we go.
Ma'am, when you get up to the platform, this line, you'll go to the right, sir. You'll go to the left and just wait right there. Once that train gets by, you'll be able to cross right over.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you for visiting.
Thank you.
Help Jacob, though.
He'll help him. He'll help him.
Big jump down to get down, guys.
And there's a bee right on my feet.
Go, man. Get out of the way. Thanks.
Not here.